Hello and welcome to another tutorial on this channel. Today let's have a look at how can you grow cucumbers in pots. You need a pot which has a diameter of at least 12 inches because this is a vine, and it should have a soil rich in organic matter. Try using red soil with a mixture of some compost. This stage is 2 weeks after sowing day. Usually at this time the plant has two leaves just like you can see. I have placed a PVC pipe to act as a support in the future. By placing the pipe early, the roots would not get disturbed later on. This stage is 4 weeks after sowing, and as you can see, multiple leaves have been formed. Now the tentacles that have formed on the vine just need to be introduced to the PVC pipe by turning the tentacles around the pipe. This stage is 5 weeks after sowing day. Now the leaves have become much broader than before and are many in number. The flowers too have begun to show up. This stage is 6 weeks after sowing day. Now I had to change the location of the pot because of shadows of other plants falling on it. At this point, the cucumber has started to form. It is quite spiny. This is the last stage of the cucumber plant and is 8 weeks from sowing day. You can make out that it is ready to harvest by that dark green color with the whitish lines visible. To harvest, all that you need to do is twist it like this and it will break eventually.